Well, have you ever wondered what's inside these FUMZ, or however they're called, cigarettes? Well, wonder no more, because here it is, cracked it open, and you can see everything that's inside. Nice aluminum tube with air vents, air ports. Okay. Big surprise, surprise! Lithium ion battery. Actually, it's a rechargeable one. Resistor. Somewhere here inside this tube. I don't know how well can you see it. Let me try to give you the focus in there. Eh? Is the glycol or glycerin or whatever substance they put inside. This is the mouth cap. And the interesting part is here. It's an air pressure. I don't know how well can this camera focus on it. It's an air pressure sensor, or I've seen something that looks quite similar with a microphone, and this seemed to hold an LED and does the control for the resistor to hit the substance in this reservoir. Let's give it a try and crack it open a little more. Maybe try to recharge this battery. See you soon.